Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Kriminal Raindrop coming back with another recommendation from YouTube. And we'll see if we're adding this one to our Apple playlist. The band's called October Ends, Bury Me Under. Or the other way around. I don't know. Yeah, October Ends, Bury Me Under. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let's see what this band has to offer. I believe this is a rock or metal band. There's a character there. They could be from another country. So could be in a different language. I'll never know. So let's get it. Okay. All right, that first guy's voice is fucking hella dope. Let's see what this second guy has to offer. Two vocalists. One of them's a keyboardist. Looks like the other one's just like the main vocalist. Usually there's screamers and clean singers, but judging for what was about to happen, he's about to be another clean vocalist. Let's get it. All right. Caught me off guard with that rapping. So there's three vocalists. One is a hella good singer. The second one is more like of a raspy rockish singer. And the third one is a rapper, bassist, or guitarist. I forgot what it was, but you got me hooked. But I can hold all this weight on my shoulders. But what the rubbish wasn't nothing what was left. With disgrace, on disgrace, when you were fucking killing me right. I think I found my new favorite band. Hold on one second. They should have turned those crosses upside down. You got me hooked. Super new metal. I don't want to call it new metal. This is fucking better. Remember, I am doing reactions to these videos, and I will tell you whether I like it or not. This one was recommended by YouTube. This is fucking amazing. The piano in there. Give me one more breakdown. Fuck. Whoa, okay. I was about to just fucking... Alright, the city is available now. Go get that shit, because I'm about to. Alright, guys, that was October Ends, Bury Me Under. There was a lot going on in that song. There was rapping, screaming, soft-ass fucking dope-ass vocals. They had keyboards. They had the whole shebang. All right, that is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that bell for notifications every time I upload a new video. And as always, stay vegan, stay lit. Don't be a bitch. Let's play, or in this case, let's react. Peace.